The government just created a new investment account for newborns. Every baby born in the U.S. between 2025 and 2028 gets a free $1,000 seed investment. No earned income required, just a qualifying newborn with a Social Security number. It launches July 4th. Today, I want to show you exactly how this account works, how it compares to the Custodial Roth IRA we broke down last week, and whether you should use one, the other, or both. First, what is this account? It's called a Section 530A account. The government seeds it with $1,000 at birth. Parents can add up to $5,000 a year after that. No earned income required. Anyone can contribute, not just the kid with a summer job. No income limits, no means testing. Any family qualifies. The money grows inside the account, invested in a low-cost fund that tracks the U.S. stock market. That's not a suggestion. The law actually requires it, and it caps the fees at 0.1%. The high-fee managed product problem? Congress already closed that door on this account. Now, 10% is the long-run average return. After inflation, it's closer to 7%, and nobody can promise 10%. But over 65 years, that averages what does the heavy lifting. When you withdraw at retirement, the growth and the free government seed get taxed as ordinary income. Your family's own contributions already had taxes paid on them, so those come back to you tax-free. Now, here's what matters. That $1,000 seed invested at birth and left alone until age 65 grows to nearly $500,000, about $490,000, at a 10% average return. Even after retirement taxes, that's still roughly $380,000 from $1,000 the government gave you for free. That's the power of 65 years of compound interest, and it cost the family nothing to get there. But here's where it gets interesting. Because the question most people are asking is, how does this compare to the Custodial Roth IRA? Let's actually run the math. The Custodial Roth IRA. You contribute $5,000 a year from age 13 to 18. Total in $30,000. But it requires earned income, a real job, real pay stubs, and it grows completely tax-free. At 65, more than $3 million, zero taxes. The new baby account, $1,000 free seed at birth, plus parents can add $5,000 a year. Total in if maxed for 18 years, just over $90,000. At 65, pre-tax, over $20 million. After a 22% tax bite, roughly $16 million.
So, the baby account wins on raw numbers. But that's because you're putting in 3 times the money for 13 more years. It's not a fair race. Here's the real comparison that matters. For the $1,000 seed alone, the free money, no additional contributions, nearly $500,000 at 65 before tax, around $380,000 after tax.
For $0 out of your pocket. That's not a comparison. That's just free money you should take. The Custodial Roth still wins for earned income. Here's the real tax difference. Both accounts take money you've already paid tax on. The Custodial Roth then lets the growth come out completely tax-free. The 530A taxes the growth and the free seed as ordinary income when you pull it out. That's the gap the Roth captures. Decades of tax-free compounding on money your teen earned. So, the honest answer to which one is better is both, at the same time, for different reasons. The new account. Take the free $1,000. Let it compound. If your family can add more, do it. No earned income required means any family can participate. The Custodial Roth. Once you have earned income, a real job, documented pay, open one and start contributing. The tax-free growth is the better vehicle for money you earned. They're not competitors, they're stackable. Here's what the 3 questions framework looks like on a government account. Question 1. Who's promoting it and what do they hold? This one's different. The government doesn't profit from the account itself, but watch for financial companies marketing their own version of the investment options inside. That's where the fees live. Question 2. What's the underlying value? The seed money is real, the growth is real, and the law already mandates low-cost index funds. So the high-fee product trap is closed before you even open the account. Question 3. Can you explain it boringly? The government gives newborns $1,000 that grows in a low-cost index fund until retirement. Yes, that passes the boring test. One last thing. This account exists for kids born 2025 through 2028. If you're watching this and you're already a teenager, the seed money isn't available to you directly. But the lesson is, if you have a younger sibling born in that window, or if you're thinking about starting a family someday, this account exists and the free $1,000 is real. And for you right now, the Custodial Roth is still open. You just need a summer job to fund it. Hit subscribe if you want to understand every account before someone tries to sell you one. See you in the next one.